If you want to make your videos more engaging by overlaying videos or images, let me just show you how easy it is to do this on CapCut. Hi, and welcome back to day 83 of 100 social media tips. So I have my clip here, and say that I want to insert an image or a video to pop in on CapCut. What I want to do is first select the extra media. I can click add, and then I'll just see this photo at the beginning of my clip. What I want to do is click it and then scroll down until you see overlay. Then we click that here, and what I next want to do is time it to where I want it. So I want to move this just a bit further. I can adjust the duration of the clip, and then I can also move it around and have it on the screens. And then we can go ahead and add other materials. To say I want to use a different screenshot, or maybe it's this video here. I can go ahead and click overlay again and adjust where it goes. So just press and hold, move the clip, change the size. If it's too big, I can go ahead and click transform and adjust the size. Maybe I make it smaller. I'm just using random clips and assets for this tutorial, but you can use images and videos that are relevant to the content. And then that's it. Like always, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll catch you in the next video.